there guys, it's your boy K20 here, working on a new patch just for y'all. With this one's a debut of the Gozyuger Panda. First time seeing, he didn't even debut yet, we only got a picture of him. So, your boy had to do the greatest research of his whole time, zoomed into the picture, sent it to my boy, and now we have the patch you're about to see right now. But before that, right here you can see the program version of the patch before we put it into our machine. And I can tell you that this is going to be one of my favorite patches already. Favorite design. I think this color scheme that they use, beautiful. But let's start the journey in making this amazing, one more time, amazing patch. And also, I did it before Stickosaurus, baby. Bang, bang. Thank you guys. No, real talk, before you even click away from this video, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And also, do check out my social media where I work on so many posts. I try to get myself out there to all y'all amazing Toku fans. And with that, I also do recommend you to go check out my Etsy page where you can order your own patch we just saw today and hold on, any of the patches from other series. What more can I say? Go check out my Discord. It will be linked in the description below where you yourself can join a community of great, amazing people.